Hi guys, in front of me is Redmagic 9S Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, go to Device Unlock and choose Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Now draw your unlock pattern and click Fingerprint. Tap on Done and select Register. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is right in the middle of the screen, so just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on OK, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.